What's up sa inyo mga kalagarahe? Welcome back to our channel.
New day, new build. For today's episode, hindi common tong vlog natin kasi ang feature nating build is hindi full build. It's a regular basic build na Yamaha XSR 155. So, let's get right into it. For this build mga kalagarahe, tayo na po ang nag-provide ng base bike. So, first of all, yung client natin is from Bohol. So, balik, tayo na ang bumili sa Yamaha ng XSR 155 and we customized it according sa specs na gusto ni client. So, for this build, papakita ko sa inyo yung mga ginawa natin. So, this is a very minimal, basic regular build. So, as you can see, it's a cafe racer build. And let's get into the specs. For this build, mga kalagarahe, start tayo sa front. So, walang mostly ginalaw sa stock parts. So, headlight yun pa rin. But we changed the signal light into our favorite turn signal light. Ayan. And then, for the handlebar, we used a Clubman handlebar. And then, our favorite Vans grips. Ayan, mga kalagarahe. And, ang request ni client na bar edge side mirror. So, malaki yan compared dun sa favorite natin. Mga kalagarahe. Sa tank, stock paint job pa din. We just put our logo in there. Side cover, yun pa din. Engine, yun pa din. But, sa bullet pipe, nilagyan na natin ang favorite natin na version 2 bullet pipe. Ayan. And then sa front, as requested ni client, nagpagawa siya ng aluminum fender. So, custom na siya. And as you can see, medyo malaki yung fender. We did this on purpose kasi if ever magpalit si client ng mas malaking gulong, pwede ito mga kalagarahe. So, yung tires niya kasi stock lang. So, in the future, I suggested a tire size for him. So, for 120 sa harapan na ipalit para mas malaki. So, fit na fit pa rin yung fender na ginawa natin. Alright. So, most of the work was done here at the back. So, it is a custom seat. Naka-tail tie din na po mga kalagaray yung tail light. Ayan. So, this is our new favorite na LED strip tail light mga kalagaray. Mas durable siya. And then, ito underneath custom na siya. Ayan mga kalagaray para malinis siya tignan. Ayan. So, natatanggal pa rin po yung upuan. Same sa original. Ayan. So, we achieved this cafe racer look. Ayan mga kalagarahe. So, sa front, nilower lang natin na kaunti para ma-improve yung geometry ng stock XSR. So, basically, that's it mga kalagarahe. So, ayun mga kalagaray, I hope you like this very simple cafe racer build na XSR 155. So, please don't forget to like this video, share, and for more inquiries po mga kalagaray, please don't hesitate to PS us on our Facebook page. Doon po tayo mag-usap sa mga inquiries nyo and for bookings, doon na tayo mag-usap. So, ayun, kapish.